We'll guide you through how to make split screen transition After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import 2 video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline so they are ready for the transition. Put the first clip on the top layer in the timeline. Then place the second clip below it so it can be revealed underneath the top layer. Once the layers are arranged, select the top clip by clicking it in the timeline. Choose the rectangle mask tool from the toolbar. Use the tool to create a vertical mask on the top clip. Draw the mask so it covers the visible area you want to animate. After creating the mask, open the mask settings in the timeline and enable mask path keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to mask path. This creates the first keyframe at the current playhead position. Next, move the playhead forward to the point where the transition should finish. Then slide the mask by adjusting the mask path points so the masked area moves across the screen. As the mask slides, the second clip below will be revealed gradually. Continue moving the mask until the second clip becomes fully visible. If needed, add motion blur to make the transition look smoother and more natural during the mask movement. Enable motion blur for the top layer and activate it in the timeline controls. After that, adjust the timing if needed by moving the keyframes closer together for a faster transition or farther apart for a slower transition. Once the timing feels correct, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap section. Watch carefully to make sure the vertical split moves cleanly and reveals the second clip smoothly. Adjust the mask path or keyframes again if necessary. When everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Check the output settings if needed, then click Render to export the final video. Your split screen transition is complete.